Hey, how's it going? This week's bestsellers, that's been our beautiful prints. Now, this is the one that is in Moonga. I'm going to show you a mix of prints, and I think one pretty dupatta like this makes it really perfect for all kind of looks that you're going for. Of course, you can do the simpler dupatta, which we've shown in the live. Now, look at that. Look at the effect, the flowers in it. It is just perfection. The lightness of the fabric, drape it in any way which you like. Of course, a same on same look will be amazing. Add some flow to it. Now for the dupatta, I'm going to go for this premium chanderi, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two colors in it. This is also the mul tissue in the same daisy dupatta. Now you can see how amazing it looks, and I'm really tempted to kind of open this one for you and show it to you because it is just gorgeous. The lightness and the beauty of this pure chiffon printed fabric. On the same tune, I do have yet another one, the sky blue, which is also incredibly pretty. Now let's see. I'm just trying to see if I can open it up because the lightness of the fabric, the beauty of the print is just everything that you see. Now again, the matching perfect dupatta. You ask us to make it in blue, we can do it for you. Of course, that will take time. And then finally, our bestseller, which is this, and I do have one small cut of this incredible fabric which we've received as a sample. It's one cut only. It's a very lovely white. Okay, we're still working on it, but of course you can grab the first piece. Now look at that. It's an amazing premium cotton, and yes, this is the first glimpse of it. And you can do this as a bottom, very nice broad, and this is a kurta. And this on its own is extremely pretty. Iske saath we've done the premium chanderis with scallop. You also have a fancy dupatta. Take your pick. Happy shopping. Do visit Neep.store, our website, and come on WhatsApp as always.